Using time well is one of the most important skills for success and happiness. Building long-term habits can help you manage your time better every day. Here are some simple steps to create habits that last. Step 1. Start small. Start with one small habit at a time. Trying to change everything at once can be hard and overwhelming. For example, if you want to use your time better, begin by setting a 10-minute planning session each morning. This small habit helps you focus on your daily tasks. Step 2. Be consistent. Consistency is the key to making habits stick. Do your new habit every day at the same time. When you repeat it regularly, your brain starts to accept it as a normal part of your routine. This way, you don't have to think much about doing it, and it becomes automatic. Step 3. Use reminders. At first, it is easy to forget new habits. Use reminders to help you. Set alarms on your phone or put notes where you can see them. These reminders will encourage you to practice your habit until it becomes natural. Step 4. Make it easy. Make your habit easy to do. Remove obstacles that can stop you. For example, if you want to read every night, keep your book on your pillow or bedside table. The easier it is to do, the more likely you will keep doing it. Step 5. Track your progress. Keep track of your habit every day. You can use a calendar, a notebook, or an app. Mark every day when you do the habit. Seeing your progress motivates you to keep going because you don't want to break your streak. Step 6. Reward yourself. Give yourself small rewards when you stick to your habit. It can be something simple like a favorite snack or a short break. Rewards help your brain connect the habit with positive feelings, making you want to continue. Step 7. Be patient and keep going. Building long-term habits takes time. Sometimes you may miss a day or two, and that is okay. Don't give up. Just get back on track as soon as you can. The important thing is to keep trying and not stop. Step 8. Reflect and adjust. After a few weeks, think about your habit. Is it helping you use your time better? If not, try changing it a little. For example, increase the planning time or choose a different time of day. Adjusting your habit helps you find what works best for you.